Hi, Lisa Sykes here, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. And if you love beauty, natural hair, and lifestyle, this is the place where you want to be. You want to just go ahead and pause, if you will. Go ahead and subscribe so that you can make sure that you are in the know, or whenever the next time I upload another video. So I'm sure that you've noticed by now that my hair is locked. I will be going unlocked for a total of 2 years come January. I actually locked my hair out of convenience just to get additional time back because I found out that I was having a girl back in 2018 and I wanted to be able to take care of her hair more than taking care of mine. But I've been locked. I'm not sure if I said this. I'm pretty sure I'm probably repeating myself. I've been locked for 2 years. No, I do not retwist my own hair. I do get it retwisted by a loctician, and I'm going to get my hair locked today. So I wanted to go ahead and take you guys along. No, it's not a Christmas video. However, my birthday is in the month of December, and this is part of my birthday care, and so we're gonna include all of this, okay? So. Okay, so I'm here and I'm waiting. Anita here today. Say hey to the vlog. Hi. And I am retwisting my hair. Like I mentioned earlier, I've been locked for going on 2 years, but because I did it out of convenience, I refuse to retwist myself. I just don't have that type of time. So Renita's gonna hook me up today, and guess what I'm gonna do? Something different.
What you doing?
Let's do some curls. My birthday is Monday, so we're gonna do some curls. And Renita
Hey y'all.
has encouraged me to do a few things or to keep my hair in a little longer. So we're gonna do some curls today, and I want to get it colored the next time I come for the new year. That's what you want?
Always. Too late to back out now. No, it ain't. I've been married before. No, it ain't. I know what to do. But no, I'm sure. He my person. For real.
Got it. Okay. Okay, speaking of booking, my husband wanted me to ask because, my son, he turned 11.
Okay.
And, he got the pricing is changed. So he wanted to know what the pricing is for him now, especially since he have his size shaved. One of these days I'm going to try to twist my own hair.
You can do it.
I just feel like I've been...
So with the Raj, you sit on the ground for like 2 hours. Yeah. Pipe cleaners, you don't have to sit on there as long. It just takes me a little bit longer to rod it up. So that's an additional hour for the rods. If you do 2-strand twists like your son did.
If we do 2-strand twists like he had, that would take...
It's still extra at least 45 minutes. But that's time that you're not sitting in the dryer. Because normally when I get done retwisting, you sit on the dryer.
Right. But for curls, I have to sit in a dryer for 2 hours.
Yeah.
I can't just let it... Well, I guess I could have brought my own little curler things, right?
Right.
Then I could have
Left with them in.
left with them in. So that means I won't be leaving out here till 5.
Probably later than that.
So what's the what you suggesting? Pipe cleaners?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Whichever one takes less time. See, that's gonna make me go back to
Want to take it out?
mm-hmm.
No, you just gotta book accordingly. You ain't know. So
I mean, I had an idea.
Something like that, you just need to come a little earlier. Try to book a slot a little earlier. So then you can, you know, you won't be in here so late. Bring your own rods. You can leave.
Uh-huh. Okay. So pipe cleaners are how long?
You know, it's the same amount of time as the two twist, just have to roll it up.
Okay.
So that's why I say.
So I am sitting underneath the dryer, and once I get out, you can take a look and see. I did pipe cleaners. I'm trying something a little different. So when I take it out, it should be curly. So excited to see how it looks.